everyone, it's me Ananya and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in this video I will be sharing my sleep paralysis experience, and I'm sure most of you already know what that is, but if you don't, it's basically a condition where your mind is conscious but your body is paralyzed and feel a presence of someone or something in your room, like someone is staring you or choking you, and it's actually like so scary, not even kidding. And before that, I as a person have always been into horror movies. Like बचपन से मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा शौक था fear files देखने का. And whether it be Bollywood or Hollywood, I used to watch every horror movie because I used to love them. Like, उस टाइम पे नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह भी नहीं थे, तो आई यूज़ टू किसी को बोल के डाउनलोड करवा के फिर पेन ड्राइव से एक्सचेंज करके ये सब करके देखती थी बहुत मेहनत. And but to watch a horror movie or to even dream about is a different thing, and to experience sleep paralysis is a totally different thing, and it's like the most terrible feeling any human can handle. I believe in divine energy as well and otherwise also, and because अगर भगवान है तो भूत भी है. But sleep paralysis is not related to bhoot and all. It's just a feeling you get, and it is triggered by anxiety or stress or bad sleeping schedule, and मेरे को सब कुछ है. Like so I have been getting sleep paralysis since I was 13 or 14. So when I first experienced it, I was a child and I was so scared. I actually thought that this is something supernatural, and I told my mom about it, and then my mom was like, kuch nahi hai, and you just sleep on your stomach, not on your back. And I thought yeah, sure. But then I stopped getting them, so I thought कि हाँ ऐसा कुछ होता होगा. If you sleep on your back, then maybe you attract some kind of negative energy. But no, that's not the case. Like I don't know उस time क्या हुआ था. But yeah, I didn't even research much about it back then. मैंने बस सोचा कि हाँ कुछ तो होता होगा, and I tried not to think about it because I thought the more I will think about it, the more I will get scared. So I tried to not think about it and sleep peacefully. But then after some time I got used to it. Seriously, I mean it was kind of fun for some time. Like ऐसा होता है कि you feel like you can see आसपास कि क्या हो रहा है. I actually saw my mother once, like she was cleaning or doing some stuff, and I'm actually trying to scream कि like मम्मी मेरे ऊपर कौन बैठा है. I actually felt like someone has someone has choked me, or someone is sitting on me or standing on me. And I also have ordered some food because I was hungry. तो ना जैसे बचपन में सबको ऐसे भूतों की कहानी सुनाते होंगे घर वाले उनको डराने के लिए, तो जब भी ना ऐसे दादी वगैरह कभी कभी सुना दिया करती थी. So everyone used to get scared but me. I was such a brave kid back then. But जब से मेरे को ये सब एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है ना, तो I actually get scared on little things. Like कोई ऐसे कर दे तो I be like क्या हो गया. मैं बहुत डर लगता है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है. And the worst part is you're not even certain कि ये किस टाइम होगा, कब होगा. Like you don't know. Like generally we know that भूतों का टाइम रात को होता है, तो we try रात को सो जाए, सुबह तो देखा जाएगा. Like if डर लग रहा हो, ये लिटरली कभी भी हो सकता है. Like this happens when you are about to fall asleep or when you are just waking up. तो ये उसके बीच का ऐसे फिनोमेना है. And so now I'm telling you कि what actually happened. Like before I used to enjoy it, I used to feel like हाँ मज़ा आ रहा है, कोई देख रहा है, कोई कुछ भी. Like it was fun. But what happened few days back was मैं दूसरे रूम में सोती हूँ, like सबसे अलग, because I study whole night and मैं सुबह सोती हूँ. Yes. तो मैं जनरली 3-4 बजे सोती थी, and क्योंकि मेरे CUT चल रहे थे तो उसके लिए मैं पढ़ती थी. एंड So one day I was like so tired and I was studying and I just felt like let's sleep. तो मैं I guess 4 ही बज रहे थे. So I slept. Then after some time, like I felt कि I'm sleeping on the wrong side of the bed and I could actually see my leg. Okay, so sorry for that. ये लोग बहुत शोर मचा रहे तो मैं उनको चुप कराने गई थी. I am so sorry if you can hear them talking, shouting like जोर से कौन बात कर रहा है. But yeah, so हाँ. So I'm like sleeping and I can see my leg was like lifting up and I was just scared like कि क्या हो रहा है. And then suddenly my right hand starts to lift up like this and I'm like looking at it. I'm like क्या हो रहा है. And I don't know how I felt. I was just scared. I was literally scared and I thought कि ऐसे कोई मेरे को उठा रहा है, ऐसे कुछ तो हो रहा है. बहुत movies देखी है मैंने. And then I felt like I was in the air literally. And I'm like bro what, like क्या मैं सच में हवा में हूँ. And I'm like कि जल्दी ये ख़त्म हो. लाइक मेरे को पता होता है कि हाँ मेरे को पता है ये क्या हो रहा है. लाइक दिस इज़ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, आई नो. बट जो वैसे उस टाइम फील होता है ना, दैट इज़ लाइक सो स्कैरी and you can't do anything about it. And the trick is that you don't have to move because the more you will try to move, the more weird it will get. Like तुम्हें और ज़्यादा pressure feel होगा तो तुम्हें हिलना नहीं है. You just have to calm down. क्योंकि जिनको होता है ना उनको पता है कि ना माइंड में हमें पता होता है कि हाँ ये हो रहा है. लेकिन like yeah, so you just have to calm down and then once you are like fully calmed, then you just have to wake up. So that's what I did and when I woke up I was literally 5 AM. Like सुबह के 5 बजे हो रहा था मेरे साथ ये. And then मैंने सोचा कि like what should I do? Like मैं नहीं सो सकती यहाँ अकेले. Then I went to sleep with my sister and I just hugged her so tightly. मैंने कहा मैं तेरे साथ सोऊंगी. को बहुत डर लगता है. एंड लकीली दैट वाज माई लास्ट डे बिफोर CUET. तो मेरे को अब रात को पढ़ना भी नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक मेरे से होगा क्योंकि मैं पढ़ूँगी तो मेरे माइंड में वही चलता रहेगा. सो दैट वाज माई एक्सपीरियंस एंड आई थॉट कि लाइक आई विल लेट यू ऑल नो. अगर तुम्हें भी हो रहा तो लाइक यू डोंट नीड टू गेट scared or anything because it's normal. like बहुत लोगों को होता है. I wouldn't say normal but like हाँ मतलब ठीक है, कुछ बुरा नहीं है. बस स्ट्रेस एंड एंजाइटी की वजह से हो रहा है. जस्ट हैव टू बी काम अबाउट इट. क्योंकि जब भी हो रहा है जस्ट काम डाउन योरसेल्फ एंड बी लाइक इट विल पास अवे. कुछ नहीं है. So that was it for today's video, and if you like this video be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.